I currently have in my hand is an Arduino microcontroller board, which is a very common open source piece of hardware that is used to control multiple components that can be built by pretty much anyone. It's very versatile and you can use it in a lot of applications. For Flying Apple, we decided to build a circuit that would predict where the balloon would land based on data points that were collected from a GPS unit. We nicknamed this the Vice President. I don't know why. And on top of the Arduino here is a GPS unit itself, which captures signals from GPS satellites and logs the data from where it is, sends it to the Arduino, and the Arduino processes it, and it uses a few data points that the GPS captures, and it uses them in an algorithm to predict where it's going to land. So it takes it takes the launch point, the point where the balloon actually bursts, and then one point when it's descending 5 minutes later, and using these points it's able to extrapolate and within a couple thousand meters predict where the balloon is going to land. On top of here we just have a shield that allows us to connect to this home-built unit, which converts the signals from the GPS and the Arduino into a format that this antenna can read, and this is a radio antenna, and it's set to broadcast on a certain frequency exactly what the Arduino gives it. And what the Arduino will do is it will take its prediction, it will make something called a sentence, which pretty much all GPSs use. It makes a fake sentence that has the coordinates of where it's going to land and where we think it's going to land, and it outputs it to this, and this uses an antenna which is currently not connected to broadcast it to multiple computers that are listening for it, and that can be displayed on a website. So using a few simple components and a little bit of math, you're able to predict and broadcast exactly where it's going to land to the world, and you can start heading out before it even gets to the ground.